we're getting ready to change the battery in this key fob. What you'll need is a flat screwdriver. Insert it right here where you have some gap, and then once you're inserted, you can twist the screwdriver like so, and then remove the back cover. You can see one of the batteries just fell off, but the other battery is right here. So what you'll do is use your screwdriver to just simply pop it out. And when you get ready to install the new batteries, make sure that the positive, which is right here, has a plus on it, is facing down. And there we go. And then we have the other battery. The positive side, it says positive side down. So we'll turn this battery upside down, and then the positive is facing down. Now we're getting ready to close this key fob. Now all you need to do is just take this, or in this case you might want to take this out of it and then just snap it in place. But if your battery is still not working, there's a couple of things you need to check. You need to check these contacts right here, make sure it's not pushed down. If it is, just bend it up slightly, and then you have another one right here. If this also is bent all the way down, use your screwdriver to slightly pop it up, because it needs to make contact with the circuit right here. And the other thing that we have is these contacts right here that make contact with the this side of the battery. They need to be two of them, and they need to be secure. Right here you can see this one, it's not loose, but then you can see this one, it actually has come off. So if that's the case, you need to take this and solder. It goes into these two contacts, one there, and it's very easy to put together. You solder it together right there, and then once you do that, you can come and take it and just snap it together until you hear it click, and that's it. Thank you for watching.